Hey TikTok, my name's Andrew. I'm the owner of ACC Welding Services. I started this page to help other people learn how to fabricate and weld, and also help me learn a few things about fabricating myself. I've been welding for about 18 years. This is just a side business for me right now. I have a full-time job at a paper mill, but hoping one day I can make this my full-time job. Uh, Here in a minute, I'm going to show y'all a few different things I've done over the years. So y'all give me a follow. Thanks.